Hello everyone, let's talk about the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 ECC unbuffered UDIM kit. If you're looking to seriously boost the performance of your workstation, server, or even a high-end desktop, this memory kit might be exactly what you need. This kit comes with two 48GB DDR5 modules, running at a speed of 4,800 MHz. That translates to PC5-38400, ensuring a fast and responsive system. The CL40 latency isn't the absolute tightest on the market, but it strikes a good balance between speed and stability, especially when you consider the ECC functionality. ECC, or error-correcting code, is a crucial feature for environments where data integrity is paramount. If you're dealing with critical applications, scientific simulations, or any situation where even a tiny memory error could have significant consequences, ECC memory is a must-have. It detects and corrects errors on the fly, preventing crashes and data corruption. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing high-quality memory solutions, particularly for enterprise and professional use cases. They understand the importance of reliability and performance in demanding environments. This kit is designed for servers, workstations, and even some high-end AIOs that support DDR5 ECC unbuffered DIMMs. Always double-check your motherboard's compatibility before purchasing. Installation is generally straightforward. Like any memory upgrade, you just need to consult your motherboard manual to find the correct slots and follow the standard installation procedure. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading, and most users should be able to handle it themselves in a few minutes. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading to 96GB of RAM is the ability to handle large datasets and memory-intensive applications with ease. If you're a video editor working with 4K or 8K footage, a 3D artist rendering complex scenes, or a scientist running simulations with massive datasets, this memory upgrade can significantly reduce bottlenecks and improve your workflow. NEMIX RAM backs their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. They also offer support from an IT staff that understands memory upgrades, which can be helpful if you run into any issues during installation or configuration. Overall, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 ECC unbuffered UDIM kit is a solid choice for users who need a large amount of reliable, high-performance memory for demanding applications. The ECC functionality, combined with a lifetime warranty, provides peace of mind and ensures that your system will run smoothly and reliably. If you're looking for a memory upgrade that can handle anything you throw at it, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.